Hello all, good afternoon. So a lot of students were commenting on the comment section regarding the ICMR assistant result on my various videos, and that's why I have thought of making this video. And this video is mainly meant for you to discuss the latest update regarding the ICMR assistant Group B examination conducted on 3rd January 2021. So you can comment it on the comment section, your doubt, opinion, etc. So people who see this video and see your comments will definitely reply you or will give specific information, etc. So all I have to say is that please give only genuine and true information which you know is 100% correct. Please don't mislead people and or give fake information. That's not good. So for that reason I am creating this video. As you all know, the examination was conducted on 3rd January for it's a group B assistant post. So there were three levels, that is the CBT phase 1, which was conducted on 3rd January 2021, and the skill test or the typing test and the interview. But guys, it was mentioned in the notification that after the CBT, within 10 days, they will be publishing the result, but it was delayed, and by the February 1st week, they declared the scorecard. The scorecard was out and your score was available on the website itself. You can log in and check it out. And thereafter, a lot of students were frequently commenting when is the regarding the skill test, the interview and all. But guys, I have to say that by the first week of February or second week of February, there was the announcement of these. They have published the list of the eligible candidates for skill test because a lot of YouTubers have given the news. That is why I haven't posted any update. So I hope that you all went through those news, and there was a specified list for the assistant examination, and you were most of you were most of you went through those videos. I believe like that, but still people are commenting in the comment section because maybe because I have guided you for this examination from the very beginning. That's the reason. Anyway, thank you for that. So I definitely so it's a good prize for me, as you all were seriously following me than other channels, YouTubers and all. But why I haven't updated in the previous section is that because a lot of people were providing information. That's why. So also I have checked in the ICMR official website and there was nothing such any specific update or anything like that. It was given that the skill test was to be conducted around the month of March and the interview by 18th of March or 19th of March, because this information I got it from several websites. But later in some websites I even find that the dates have been postponed. The March 18 or 19 that has been postponed and some other dates have to be announced yet. So that is the only main information I was able to know about this. So if there is any further update regarding the examination, I will be updating in the channel. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable the bell icon so that you will not get notified of the genuine news when any information is updated. I will be updating it on our channel. Okay, so subscribe to the channel and enable the bell icon and make this video comment section your area for discussion. You can comment your doubts and people who see your comment either will reply you or will give you other information. You can cross check like that. Okay, so discuss it. So that's the only thing, because when I went through the ICMR website, as a lot of students were asking, I haven't found anything special regarding it because there was nothing about the update and all. So kindly go through that. So one of the website I saw was providing the cutoff marks are for the CBT. The cutoff marks was in between 40 and 45 for almost all categories. There was nothing, only 2 or 3 points difference for the reservation on or unreserved category. There was nothing like that. So that's the only information I got. So hope this video will definitely help you and this comment section will make all your doubts clear. So try to share this video with people who were waiting. And why I make this video to make you discuss in the comment section is because a lot of students were also saying that there are no good telegram groups or channels to discuss about this thing. there's no much genuine channel and all, so that's why I have planned of making this video, so you can make your doubts clear. Wish you all the best, and any further updates, if you know, please let me know also, because maybe I am not getting any update or anything like that. So whatever you know, make sure it's 100% genuine and you know it very well, then only please comment. Please don't mislead people. That's what I have to say. Thank you.